Hello again, it's Noob, and this gorgeous all brass padlock was sent to me by my good friend Talonpick. Please do go check out his channel. Not like you don't know who he is or that you are already a subscriber, but if on the rare chance that you are not already a subscriber, please do go check out his amazing content. Anyway, so yeah, all brass. Talonpick knows that I collect all brass padlocks, and this is Godrej, and it's the ERY246. And Godrej are an Indian lock brand, but they tend to make very high quality locks, which is awesome. And I also heard rumours that they have used European lock manufacturers in the past to make some of their locks, which might explain some of that. Anyway, really awesome. Where's the key? Here it is. 5 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it opens both ways. And it seems to be brand new as well. Not very well oiled, but brand new. See down there, single locking pull mechanism. But yeah, pretty cool. Surprisingly hard to pick. I think there are tapered pins in here, and I have found it easier to tension it anti-clockwise rather than clockwise. So I think we should have a go at doing just that. Now, in terms of picking it, I've got a piece of bent wiper blade thinned down, and that should suffice for a bit of top of the keyway tension. And if I can get it in, there you go, do it anti-clockwise. Then I've got Peterson German Asparagus Lunatic, which I'm going to use to try and pick some of these pins. So going around the back, that's pin 4 there, just a tiny movement there. Nothing on 5, 4, 3, little click, 2, anything on 1, yeah, little click on 1. Going back through, I'm going to wiggle this pick round, just check 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1. Just hit it, and we are open. So I practiced this lock a couple of times before I did the video, but I think it's all to do with very light tension. I really think there might be some tapered pins inside here. I genuinely think there are, just because it's inconsistently picked and it tends to feel like it oversets very easily. Pretty awesome lock though, I have to say. So thank you Talonpick for sending me this. It's a real gem in my collection. Just don't see many Godrej locks. If anybody knows of any other Indian brands I should be looking out for, please let me know in the comments. It's always cool to get new brands and new locks from different places in the world. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.